Hello everyone, how can summer be complete without watermelon? Today, we're going to share 4 great ways to cut watermelon, making sure you slice it quickly and nicely, without getting your hands dirty or juice everywhere. Here, watermelons are 1 yuan per gene. How much are they where you are? For the first method, let's prepare a watermelon and cut it vertically. Wow, that's beautiful. This watermelon looks so appetizing. Next, find a slightly larger plate and, just like in the video, flip the watermelon upside down onto the plate. We can start by cutting along the stripes into long strips. Don't make them too wide, about 3 to 4 centimeters is just right. Once you've finished cutting in one direction, turn the watermelon and keep cutting in the other direction. Again, cut strips about 3 centimeters wide. This way, the watermelon pieces will be small, square blocks. Using this method to cut watermelon keeps your hands clean and prevents juice from spilling everywhere. The watermelon also stays mostly intact, with the flesh not exposed to the air, so it can be stored longer without oxidizing or spoiling. When you want to eat, just pick whichever piece you like. The size is perfect for popping into your mouth, so you won't get juice all over your mouth or make a mess. For the second method, first cut the watermelon into a ring about 2 centimeters thick. Then place it on a clean cutting board and cut the ring into 6 equal pieces. After cutting like this, the watermelon pieces are triangular. Make a cut on each side of the base, leaving about 5 centimeters in the middle uncut, so it doesn't break off. Then, cut off the rind on both sides. Now your watermelon looks like an ice cream bar. This shape looks really nice and is also very easy to hold. If you have kids visiting at home, cutting watermelon like this will be every child's favorite. It looks amazing and will be gone in no time. For the third method, cut the watermelon in half, then cut each half again. This way, the watermelon pieces are triangular. Make a cut at each corner of the watermelon, and each cut should go deep enough to reach the center and connect with the previous cut. Then, with the knife parallel to the edge of the flesh, cut downwards, making 3 cuts on each side. After cutting, the watermelon still stays perfectly intact, and there's no juice running everywhere. Each side has beautiful little cubes. You can just use a fork to pick them up and eat, super convenient. Just like that, you can pop one piece after another into your mouth, so satisfying. You can also put the cut pieces into your favorite fruit bowl. Each piece cut with this method is just the right size. The fourth method is perfect for sharing with your partner or someone you love. Cut the watermelon into long strips, then remove the rind. Place the watermelon on a clean cutting board, trim the edges a bit, then do the same on the other side. Next, make 2 cuts in the very center of the watermelon, and just like in the video, remove that central bit of flesh. Then, simply cut the watermelon into thick slices. Can you see what it is now? Now the watermelon has turned into little hearts that say, "I love you." Isn't that super romantic and beautiful? It's perfect for couples or people in love to enjoy together. If you like this idea, feel free to save it and give it a try. If my video has been helpful to you, could you please use your lucky hands to like and share it? Your likes and shares are the biggest support for me. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.